Good morning, students. Welcome to online political science class. Today again we are moving towards the chapter that is chapter 1, challenges of nation building. In this chapter, students, we have discussed so far about the partition of the country. How did the Britishers, when they have decided that they want to leave or to quit India because of the different struggles which came into being in the Indian freedom struggle phase, okay, and then they have made a document on the month of June. They have made a document and then they have declared that they are going to quit India. But with quitting India, it's a very good thing for us. It is a happiest movement for the Indians that time. But with that, some pain also came into our mind, into our hearts. How? Because the Britishers has also declared in a document that one of the area will be separated from the Indian continent, from the country India, and that part will be called as a new nation, that is Pakistan. So, as the Muslim League has forwarded the demand, they have from 1906, they have forwarded the demand of creation of Pakistan, and that has been granted to them by the British document, that is Indian Independence Act 1947. So it was a very painful thing for all of the Indians. हमने तो इतना सेक्रीफाइस किया, इतना बलिदान दिया, बट उसके बाद फिर the whole of this suffering and sacrifice के बाद we got the result, but the result came in a very painful way. But what about India or the Pakistan जो create हुआ, the whole of these things was based on a two nation theory. Two nation theory, one is Pakistan, one is India. So on 14th August, Pakistan got independence. On 15th August, India got its independence. Okay. So in the earlier videos, we have declared or we have discussed how they have went through the trauma, how they have went through the process, what type of process that the Indian framers or that time the interim Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, they had to face, okay, to bring or to पूरा जो उसको demarcate करना था ना, उसको पूरा divide करना था, how to bifurcate or how to divide the area and to make a new nation. Okay, that was a very difficult task, and we have seen in the previous videos that how it was done, how difficult they have to face to bring that bifurcation or इसको हम लोग demarcation बोल सकते हैं, or the separation of the area in which part Pakistan has to be created. So we have seen east west पूरा divide हो गया and so much things went up. Today students, we are going to go through the story. वो जो trauma जो मैंने बोला, the trauma, the sufferings, how did the Indian people suffered through this partition. Britishers लोगों ने तो बोला partition हो गया, okay, फिर बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला कि हाँ पाकिस्तान तो create हो गया, but ये पाकिस्तान create होते, इंडिया independence होते, there is so many problems came in the life of the common Indian people, and that trauma, that sufferings today we are going to discuss in our class. Okay students, so today whatever we will discuss, you just imagine and feel that feeling कि तब क्या हुआ था. Okay, today मैंने आपको आगे ही बोला, we got the independence, जब हमने सांस लिया, हमने जब जन्म लिया, we got independence. We are born in an independent country. We are very happy that to born in an independent country. So we may not have the feelings, that trauma, that suffering, जो emotions जो जुड़े हुए थे, all these things. Okay, so today when we are discussing all these things, please students, I am requesting you to just feel that emotion, whatever happened that time during the process of the partition of the country. So let's go to the boardwork students. So today's topic is consequences of partition. Today we will study about the consequences of partition. Partition के दौरान क्या हुआ था. Okay. So the first one is I written down in a point wise just to make you convenient. Okay, number one, year 1947 was one of the largest, most abrupt, unplanned, and tragic transfer of population. Okay, it was the largest क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ आए, वहाँ के लोग यहाँ पे आए, यहाँ के लोग वहाँ पे गए, इधर के लोग उधर गए, उधर के लोग इधर आए. It was a very difficult task because the Indian government or जो British document था that was declared, okay, कि people who are there in the west side, okay, तो उस जगह के जो हिंदू people they have to move down into the Indian origin, इस तरफ आना है उनको. और इस तरफ के जो भी वेस्ट एरिया है और या फिर ईस्ट बंगाल जब क्रिएट हुआ they have to move to that area western side में और that has to be created with Pakistan. तो it was just like going and coming very much difficult. Okay, तो it was largest, most abrupt, unplanned, क्योंकि लोगों को ये बहुत धीरे धीरे बोल के इसको समझाया नहीं गया. People don't know the process of partition. People have never seen the process of partition. अरे भाई ये क्या है, ये कैसा होता है, क्यों हम जाए, क्यों हम आए. Okay, that type of feelings. Some people have wanted to go to Pakistan or to create a new Muslim state or Muslim country, but not all the people. So there was a very much of sufferings and all problems. Okay, now unplanned and tragic transfer of population. That transfer from going and coming and going. Okay, very much difficult that one. Then the number two, there was communal riots in the name of religion. Cities like Lahore, Amritsar and Kolkata became divided into communal zones. Okay, so like there was a communal riot. ये जो communal riot बहुत देखने को मिला हमें during that time. Freedom struggle के time जो last phase में हमें भी थोड़ा देखने को मिला. And afterwards we have seen that communal riots. That during the time of partition there was so much communal violence. People who had lived as a neighbor, Hindu and Muslim, some of the people they have became against each other. Okay, so बरसों के जो दोस्ताना था, जो friendliness था, that पूरा finish हो गया, vanish हो गया, and they today became enemy that time. Okay, so it was very much difficult. अरे वो जो इंसान मेरा दोस्त था, today how that person became my enemy. Okay, how a friend can turn itself to enemy. Just because we are of different community, just because he is Hindu and I am Muslim, or just because he is Muslim and I am Hindu, that is very much difficult. वो जो feelings था उस time में. Okay, now see cities like Lahore, Amritsar and Kolkata. ये तीन city का नाम क्यों लिया गया? Because Lahore and Amritsar were in Punjab. Okay, and Kolkata तो कोलकाता में है, इस बंगाल के साइड में. तो बिकॉज ऑफ देयर थिंग ये इसका जो एक पोर्शन जो चला गया वहाँ पे, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर थिंग इस जगह पे कम्युनल वायलेंस ज़्यादा लोगों को देखने को मिला. ओके, इट वाज वेरी मच सीन इन दैट प्लेस बिकॉज ऑफ द डिविजन ऑफ द कंट्री. सम ऑफ दिस एरियाज वर टेकन अप फ्रॉम दैट एरिया एंड इट वाज गिवन टू द other news for the new creation of Pakistan. So because of their thing only some of the things happened that time, or three cities just we can say that it was went up in a what to say communal जो एक आग लग गया. Okay, communal type of violence, communal type of fire went up, spreaded in the different parts. Okay, जो कोलकाता, लाहौर and अमृतसर में it was large type of violence that India has witnessed that time. Okay, now people went through many sufferings. Okay, next one, जब देश बंटवारा होता है, जब स्टूडेंट्स आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो ये, अगर मुझे बोला जाए ओके कल मुझे आके कोई बोलता है आपका घर ये नहीं है, आप उस जगह पे चले जाओ, हाउ आई विल फील. फर्स्ट मेरे मन में आएगा वेयर आई विल गो, व्हाट आई विल डू, उस जगह पे जाके वेयर आई विल लिव, मेरा घर कहाँ पे है. सो मच ब्लैंक थिंग्स विल कम टू योर माइंड, हाउ आई विल गो. सो लॉट्स ऑफ फीलिंग्स जो उस टाइम उन लोगों के मन में तब आया था. एंड इन दैट टाइम देयर वाज नो मच व्हीकल्स ऑल्सो, नो मच ट्रेन्स ऑल्सो, हाउ टू गो एंड देन जस्ट एस्टैब्लिश देमसेल्व्स इन द न्यू पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया और न्यू पार्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान. वेरी टास्क, very large or the tough or the hardest task people had to witness that time. Okay, now I've written down some of the sufferings. Fled their home. They have to fled their home, and what happened? Took shelter in refugee camps. So when they went up from that place to this place and from this place to that place, they just didn't went और उन्होंने जाके ये नहीं बोला अरे भाई ये मेरा जगह है मेरा घर यहाँ पे बन जाएगा, नहीं ये नहीं हुआ. Common people who were there, they had to live for a long time in a refugee camps. ओके एक्चुअली जो ये वर्ड है ना स्टूडेंट्स रिफ्यूजी, ये वर्ड्स भी तभी आया, उसके आगे में हमें सुनने को नहीं मिला था इंडिया में रिफ्यूजी, बट जब पार्टीशन हुआ ये सब कुछ हुआ दैट टाइम द वर्ड रिफ्यूजी केम इनटू आवर life, into the life of the Indian people. Okay, then women were abducted, raped. You can just imagine how women, क्योंकि वो चलते जा रहे थे, बहुत सारे लोग घर छोड़ के जा रहे थे, इस दौरान वायलेंस जब हुआ कितने सारे गर्ल को वोमेन को पकड़ पकड़ के लेके गए एंड सो मच थिंग्स हैपेंड दैट टाइम. जो मोलेस्टेशन, जो वायलेंस, जो एक्सप्लॉयटेशंस हुआ जब फीमेल लोगों के साथ. ओके देन they travel by foot. बहुत सारे लोग they didn't get train, they didn't get bus. Some of the people went with bullock carts also. Okay, that time prevalent bullock carts. And then some of the people they didn't get anything, they went by foot. और foot से जाना, पैदल जाना इतना आसान था क्या? They used have to go, stop and they go, stop and they go, stop and they went. Very much difficult. चिल्ड्रेंस वेर सेपरेटेड. इस कश्मकश में, इस वायलेंस में, इस एक्सप्लॉयटेशन में लोगों का घर जल गया, वायलेंस हो गया, कम्युनल फीलिंग्स आ गया, कितना कुछ हो गया, और बहुत सारे बच्चे जो है दे वेर सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम देयर पेरेंट्स. सो ये जो इतना जो फीलिंग है, इतना फीलिंग जो लोगों के अंदर में ये आया, देयर वाज वेरी मच इन ए बैड शेप. ओके नेक्स्ट वन इज देयर वाज डिवीजन ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कंसर्न्स एंड फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स. डिविजन ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज, टेबल चेयर्स, टाइपराइटर्स, पेपर क्लिप्स, जो मैंने एक्सेट्रा में लिखा है. ओके सो देयर वाज डिविजन ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कंसर्न एंड फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स. मतलब जो पैसा है वो भी भाग हुआ, जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव जो ब्रांचेस है वो भी भाग हुआ, गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज जो है वो भी भाग हुए, टेबल चेयर, टाइपराइटर, पेपर क्लिप्स एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा वो सब भी भाग हुए, बिकॉज उस जगह में जाके कुछ नहीं था उनको करने के लिए. सो दे हैव टू टेक फ्रॉम दिस एरिया टू दैट एरिया. सो मच थिंग्स हैज बीन सेपरेटेड, divided. Okay, it was a violent separation of communities. About 80 lakh people had to migrate. Just imagine करो, population of India that time also about 80 lakh people has to migrate from that place to this place and from this place to that place. So much जो ये कम्युनिटी का जो वायलेंस है, इतने साथ रहने के बाद दे हैव टू जस्ट सेपरेट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. इट वाज अ वायलेंट टाइप ऑफ सेपरेशन. ओके नेक्स्ट वन इज इट वाज अ डिवीजन ऑफ हार्ट्स बिटवीन हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम्स. या इट वाज अ डिवीजन ऑफ हार्ट्स. व्हाई नॉट? इतने साल जो दोस्त की तरह रहे थे, पड़ोसी की तरह रहे थे, नेबर्स, दे वर नेबर्स वंस अपॉन अ टाइम फॉर लॉन्ग years. They used to visit, the Hindus used to visit the one Muslim friend's house during Eid, during different occasion, and from that one of the Muslim person also used to visit Hindu person's house because of different occasions, puja and all this. Different family जो एक bonding था, it was very much there that time, and all these things just vanished, divided, separated just because of that partition, और हम जिसको बोलते हैं बंटवारा. Okay. Now, writers, poets, filmmakers express the atrocities and violence of partition. Okay, बहुत सारे उस टाइम के जो राइटर्स, फिल्म मेकर्स जो भी थे, जो क्रिटिक्स थे, उन लोगों ने सब ने मिलके इसको एक नाम दिया, एक फ्रेज दिया उन्होंने. उस फ्रेज का नाम क्या था? इट वाज ए डिविजन ऑफ हार्ट्स. डिविजन ऑफ हार्ट्स. अभी ये डिविजन ऑफ हार्ट्स किसका है? इट वाज ए डिविजन ऑफ हार्ट्स बिटवीन हिंदूज एंड Muslims. So two community who lived for a long time as a friend, they were being separated just कुछ लोगों के कारण. Okay, some of the people who has wished to leave India and they wanted to go to Pakistan, a separate Muslim nation they wanted. and because of that thing some of the people wanted, and because of that thing they have divided that area, और जो लोग यहाँ से जाना नहीं थे उनको भी जाना पड़ा यहाँ से. Okay, but never felt very sad, because many of the Muslims who has not wanted to go to Pakistan, they lived in India, and then afterwards when this whole partition process being finished, that time still the government was in a very dilemma position what to do, because there were so much minority people. Hindu people were there, Muslim people were there, Christian people were there, Sikh people were there, Buddhist people were there, so many different categories of people were there. How to make these people unified, how to make or how to face the different types of challenges that had faced by India on the eve of partition. Okay, so it was a very much dangerous type of thing happened in India, और हम इसको बोल सकते हैं बहुत बहुत ही दुख भरी कहानी है ये हमारा पार्टीशन जो हुआ. शायद अगर हमारा पार्टीशन नहीं होता तो हमें ये हमारा जो इंडिया है it could have been in a very fruitful way, and the Pakistan part may have been in India, and it could have been a fatty map, और हम बहुत सारे लोग और भी होते, and we could have lived in a very happy family, like a very happy family. But जो नहीं होना था नहीं हुआ, and then Pakistan was created. तो आज जो भी हमने किया इसमें सारा चीज़ यही है कि कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस में हमने क्या देखा, क्या क्या रिजल्ट्स, क्या क्या नतीजे सामने में आए ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ पार्टीशन. क्योंकि पार्टीशन सिर्फ मुंह से बोलने से नहीं हुआ. इट वॉज नॉट जस्ट स्पोकन बाय माउथ, इट वॉज नॉट जस्ट डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ द माउथ, of the just say it just like that. It was a process that happened. It was a process that happened through. It was a trauma. It was a suffering that people has to face on the eve of partition. So this is a story, a small area I have taken up today, students. That was consequences of partition. I hope students you will get through it and listen to it very nicely and watch that whole of the area very nicely. So thank you, students.